One of my favorite ways to invest in real estate, in fact, one of the best ways, is to use an FHA loan, a Federal Housing Administration loan, to invest in real estate. Now, I know some people might be thinking, well, Federal Housing Administration loan is a loan for home buyers that are going to live in the property. Yes, it absolutely is, and we can actually use this to get started investing. See, now I coach a lot of people on how to invest in real estate, and the FHA loan is one of the best ways to get in, especially if you have very, very little money. And you know that number one, you don't want to rent a house anymore. And number two, you know you want to start making passive income by investing in real estate, and an FHA loan is fantastic. So I want to give you everything that you need to know to start investing with an FHA loan. And buying a house with an FHA loan is just one of 14 different ways that you can get financing or funding to invest in real estate. In fact, I have a whole video where I outline every single 14 different ways to actually get financing. Check in the comment card right there, or check in the description for that video where I literally show you every single one of these 14 different ways to get financing. An FHA loan is a fantastic way to invest in real estate. It's one of my favorite ways to do it. And hey guys, my name is Dustin Heiner with Master Passive Income. I want to show you how to quit that JOB, that just over broke job, by investing in real estate rental properties so you never ever have to work a job again. Now, when you're using an FHA loan, remember that's a Federal Housing Administration loan. What is the beautiful thing about that is for anybody that's using an FHA loan, it's a 3.5% down payment. Now, if you're thinking, man, usually when you buy an investment property, it's going to be about 20% down payment. Yes, usually, and even if you buy a regular house, it should usually be a 20% down payment. So if you're buying a $200,000 house, that's literally $40,000 you have to come up with out of your pocket. Like, you can't borrow that to pay it. Like, you have to come out of your pocket as a down payment. With an FHA loan, though, you only have to pay 3.5%. So if you're getting that same $200,000 house where you're borrowing $200,000, normally it'd be $40,000 you have to put it as a down payment. But if you're using an FHA loan, it's only going to be $7,000 put down to buy the property. Here is the way, the best way for you to start investing in real estate, even if you have a number of properties or you have no properties, like you're literally renting a house. This is a fantastic way to invest in real estate. Number one, you can do a house hack, but number two, you can also buy a single family home. Now, let's go and talk about a house hack. House hacking is basically where you are buying a duplex, a triplex, or a fourplex, anything that's below a 5-unit, 4, 3, 2, or 1. You're buying a house and you're actually going to rent out one unit and you're going to keep the other unit and you live in that property. So if you're starting at zero, you're renting a place right now, you can actually buy a house with an FHA loan, live in it, and also get paid rent by somebody else. And let me give you a really cool story about this house hacking thing. Now, somebody was listening to my podcast and they sent me an email recently. Now, my podcast, the Master Passive Income Podcast, where I share exactly how to invest in real estate, same thing with my YouTube channel, showing you, like literally giving you every single step to do this. I get an email from him and he says, hey, Dustin, I was actually driving to sign a lease on an apartment complex, or to live in an apartment complex and rent a place. And as I'm driving, I hear about house hacking. I'm like, that's a good idea. I get into the place and I'm going to sign a lease. I'm literally sitting down with the property manager, just about ready to sign the lease. And this thought in the back of my head was thinking, I could house hack. Instead of paying somebody else rent, I could buy a house, have somebody pay me rent, and live with no money coming out of my pocket. He pushed away the papers and got up and said, thank you, but I decided something else. He walked out. Then he did his research. Then he started finding out and figuring out how to do this. So his one duplex, he has himself and somebody else living there, and his mortgage is being paid for by the tenant. So that's house hacking. Now, you might be thinking, well, how does FHA work with house hacking? Let me explain exactly how. This is what he did. He bought the house with an FHA loan. So spending, let's say, buying a house, a duplex for $200,000, putting $7,000 down. Remember, if you're going to be renting out a place, you're going to have to put down a deposit. You might have to put, 2 times first month's rent. Let's say rent is $1,000. That's $2,000 you have to put down to move into the place. Well, save a little bit extra money and buy a duplex. So what he did was he moved into this place and with buying it with a loan, with an FHA loan. Now, what's great is this FHA loan is a 30-year fixed loan. usually pretty competitive interest rates. So it's going to be a good interest rate. On top of that, he's going to have a very low mortgage. I want to say his mortgage is like $800 a month, and his tenant's paying him like $900 a month. Wouldn't that be amazing to live in your own home? Somebody's paying off your mortgage, paying your interest, paying your taxes, paying everything, and you don't have to pay any money out of your pocket. Now, you also might be thinking, well, how could I do this for a single family loan? Now, remember, the caveat with an FHA loan is you have to live in the house for 1 year. If you live in the house for 1 year, then you can move out and you can have a tenant living in there. The only stipulation is that FHA loan, you live in there 1 year. Same thing with a single family home. Let's say you bought a house, a single family home, and you lived in there for a year, and you bought it for 3.5% down, live in there for a year, and then move out. You have a rental property. But here's a very cool trick I want to give you. Here's a pro tip. What you do is you buy the house with an FHA loan, and within 6 months, you start the process of refinancing the house. Once you hit 6 months, then you start refinancing it and you pull your money back out. You actually get a new loan. Instead of an FHA loan, you turn it into a conventional loan that frees up one FHA loan out of its spot. Basically, it frees it up so that you now have that FHA loan slot open, because you can only have one slot on your person. You can have many conventional loans, but you can only have one FHA loan. So what you do is you actually do this. You buy the house with FHA. You refinance it, get it out of the FHA. Then you can buy another house with an FHA loan, move into that next one, and you have this first one as a rental property with a conventional loan. My goodness, there are so many great options. In fact, like I said, there are so many options. There's actually a video that I created with 14 different ways for you to invest in real estate and have money. The 14 different ways to get funding to buy real estate. And watch that video. It's in the comment card or check in the description below. But I want you to watch that video because that video is literally going to show you every single way. This is just one of 14 different ways that you can get money to invest and all the funds to invest in real estate. And you guys smash that like button and actually subscribe and hit the notification bell as well, because I'm literally giving out 3 videos a week showing you exactly how to do this. I want to get you investing in real estate. And also I have my free real estate investing course. If you go to masterpassiveincome.com/free course, check in the description as well. It will literally be there for you. I will give you my free real estate investing course, show you how to find a new location to invest, how to find the right properties, how to build the business, how to get money for it, how to make it automatic and make $250 a month in passive income. You want to get that. And you guys are awesome. Check out that video of 14 different ways right here. I'll see you guys in the next one.